Standard 7, General Science, Chapter number 1, The Living World, Adaptations and Classification. See these animals. Can you group them by what they eat? There are two types of animals, herbivores and carnivores. Herbivores. Carnivores are animals that only eat meat. They get this meat from other animals. Like lion, cat, and fox. Types of teeth of herbivorous and carnivorous animals. Hello kids, what you see over here? Here we see two pigs, one of a baby and one of a grandpa. Well, what is the similarities over here? Can you find it out? Both of them do not have teeth, but when you and I smile in front of the mirror, we see our beautiful white teeth, right? But since both of them, like the baby and grandpa, don't have teeth, they need to stay on a liquid diet. So now you understand what is the teeth used for? Let me tell you. Well, teeth is used for tearing, chewing, and biting and grinding food. So when you have the delicious food, you require the teeth so that you can tear the food, chew it, grind it, and finally have it. Now, do you think only we human beings have teeth? Not really. Here we can see some animals like the zebra, the tiger, the crocodile, and the fish. So here as well we see the zebra has got teeth, even the tiger has got teeth, and the crocodile and even the fish. So why do you think these animals also have teeth? Because they need to tear, chew and grind their food as well. How? Let us see. Well, over here we see 4 different animals, but do you see them eating the same food? Not really. The zebra is eating grass. The crocodile is eating another fish. Here is a carnivorous fish which is feeding on another small baby fish. And finally we have the tiger, it is eating meat or flesh. So different animals have got different food habits, and so they have got different kinds of teeth as well. So they can eat the correct food for themselves.
Now let me ask you something. Have you ever seen something like this before? Maybe with your grandmom while she is preparing food or something? No? Well, this is mortar and a pestle. Well, the mortar has a flat base over here, so using this pestle you can grind different things. So mortar and pestle used for grinding different things since it has a flat base. Now we see the frame of the teeth of herbivores. Now which are the herbivores, do you know? Let me tell you. Well, the herbivores are those animals which feeds on plants or different grasses, so they have this kind of teeth which are also flat base just like a mortar and a pestle. So once they get the grass or different parts of plant, they can grind and the food and have it. So, the teeth of herbivores are flat base, just like a mortar and a pestle. So, why do you think that they have these flat base teeth? Because they eat grasses and different type of plants. Now we have already learned what is a mortar and a pestle. Great. But if I tell you to tear this packet with the help of mortar and pestle, can you do it? Not possible. Right. Why this is so? Because to tear this packet you need something which is sharp and you can pierce it into the plastic. And for that we required these kind of objects which have sharp thin points or is the end of scissors. Similarly, we have the carnivorous animals like tiger. So, what do these animals eat? Well, they feed on flesh or meat. So, in order to tear the flesh or the meat in small particles, they required pointed teeth like this. See, they have got sharp teeth just like the edges of the knife or the scissor, and this helps carnivorous animals to tear their food and have it in a proper way. Even over here, two more examples for you. First is dog. And what does the dog eat? Well, it feeds on meat or flesh. So, dog is a carnivorous animal. Hence, we see it has got the pointed teeth. Next, we have the cat, and the cat feeds on fish. So, in order to tear fish into small particles, the cat has got sharp teeth. So, it is also a carnivorous animal. Hence, what have we learned over here? All carnivorous animals like the tiger, dog, the cat, they have sharp pointed teeth. These teeth help them to have their proper food, that is meat or flesh. So, you see a little confused. Let me clear it out. This is the difference between the herbivores and the carnivores. First, let's see the herbivores. Herbivores are those animals like the zebra, the cow, which feed on plant or grasses, so they have blunt teeth, that is the flat base teeth, and the teeth is used for chewing or grinding the food, so that the food, that is the grass or the plant, are ground into a paste-like form which their body can have it easily. Now let's move on carnivores. We see carnivores are those animals like the crocodile, the tiger, the dog, the cat. These animals feed on flesh or meat or fish. So these animals required a sharp teeth. Why? Because these teeth will help these animals in seizing and stabbing the food. That is, to seize the prey, cut into small pieces and then have it properly. In herbivores, legs are long and tapering with strong hooves, which enables them to run fast, taking long leaps. Carnivores have strong legs to run fast and capture their prey. For example, the tiger has padded paws and claws. This enables them to silently stalk their prey and capture it easily. The eyes and ears of carnivorous animals. In carnivores, the eyes are located in the front of their head and help them to spot their prey from a long distance. They also have sharp ears so that they can hear the minimal sound of the prey and can easily catch them. The ears and the eyes of herbivores. The herbivores have long and freely moving ears, can receive sounds from long distances and different directions. And the eyes of herbivores are below the forehead on either side of the head. This gives them wide angle vision, which help to protect them from predators.